We're in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, Washington, and we are ready to taste some great food. I here have my co-tasters always that I love. Chef Laurent Zarate, thank you for joining us, and we love your expertise.
Thank you.
And my co-host, Tomas.
Here we are again.
Yes.
I love it.
I know. And you developed the recipes that we're tasting. So
for the
I
whole
love that.
season.
Was that fun?
Yes, it is. It was great. It was a lot of work, but a lot of fun.
I know, as if you don't have, anything else to do as an instructor. And
yes, at Spokane Community College, but it's my pleasure to do that and to share things. When you cook, you don't cook for yourself, you cook for others.
Right.
And you share your love, your passion, you share a piece of you.
Well, you would have loved to have been with us in Vietnam. Probably the best French fries I've ever had in my life was in Vietnam.
Vietnamese fries?
Yeah, they were Washington.
French fries?
Washington frozen, crinkle cut fries. Yes, but the way they made them, I don't know what it was. It was just so good.
Maybe it was also just that little taste of home.
Maybe, maybe.
It's that fries from Washington.
Yes, and our Washington potato farmers work so hard and produce
so many kinds of potatoes.
Such incredible quality.
You can find so many kinds of potatoes.
That's true. It's not just a russet.
No, anymore.
and a goal.
And as a baked potato, right? So that's it.
Yeah.
Right? So today we decided to do Yukon Gold.
Okay.
Yellow potatoes.
Love it.
And the title may backfire because it says the best potato puree ever.
The best in big capital letters
exactly.
too.
So I don't know. To me, it's the best because it's the classic way of making a potato puree.
And so we're not talking like the American mashed potatoes.
No,
we're talking about French potato puree.
Yes, made with a food mill. You don't make it with a food processor, otherwise it becomes too elastic. And a touch of nutmeg in it. Which
Nutmeg,
is a classic way to make a mashed potatoes. And a lot of butter. Lots of butter. One of the best mashed potatoes.
Okay. I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, and our chef in the kitchen
they
here
are
at Second
in the
Harvest.
kitchen right now.
They are doing it right now, so I cannot wait to taste it.
Let's find out how they make it. Look at that.
Oh man.
Butter.
It's just melting off the top there.
Butter is better.
Butter is better.
Of all the things I've learned over the show, simple is better.
Oh yeah.
I totally agree with you.
A few ingredients is all you need, and this is a perfect example of that.
If you have a great product, don't mess it up.
Mess it up. Don't mess it up. Oh, this is so good. That nutmeg adds such a unique something.
Yeah,
you're like, what is that?
It's just kind of hidden in the background, isn't it? It makes you know that there's a difference, but if you don't know what nutmeg tastes like, you're
so
kind of,
good.
what is that? But it's nice.
And I love the consistency.
Smooth, slight, the best potato puree.
Potato puree.
You can't go wrong.
And I like the fact that the kitchen added some chives on top to give that nice
so good
onion flavor.
So a food mill is
food mill is the key.
It's the key.
Yes, a food mill, no food processor, and a lot of butter.
And just simple ingredients.
Simple.
To highlight our Washington potatoes.
Beautiful.
I love
delicious.
that. Good job.
It's like being a baby again,
To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarate's potato puree, visit us at wagron.com.